I am Charles Muwangala. I am a head teacher of Marigita Primary School. In many schools, we find that many of the children have dropped out because of the few resources within the schools, like reading books, the pencils. We initiated a school called Agnes School. It is a grass-searched school. Sometimes it links. When it links, these children may not come to school that day because they fear to sit in the mud. So if it rains for a full week, then means these children may not come to school for a full week. That one may affect the learning. And we have initiated the grandmothers. Now they are reading with their children. We appeal to donors, sponsors, well-wishers to give us more sandbooks, tablets, reading materials, so that we can keep on supporting these children in schools. The children, the grandmother, the community are so happy. Everybody is enjoying. So I feel so proud to be a Sandbooks teacher. Please, please, please support Sandbooks. Thank you.